just about to make myself a sandwich. Since you're already here, I guess I'll show you how to make my sandwich. Come on, come on. So the ingredients you will need for a sandwich are bread, bologna, ham, cheese, a toaster, pepperoni, and finally yourself. I'm the guy doing the narration. First ingredient you're gonna need is bread, and then put it inside the toaster. And wait for it to pop out nice golden brown. And then you're gonna lay down the bread on the counter like this. And then you just need to get the rest of the ingredients like this. Bologna, ham, cheese, and finally pepperoni. And finally put this bad boy together. And then smush it together. And that's how you make a sandwich. Oh, since you stuck around this long, I guess I'll show you some techniques I see at a sandwich. First is the traditional way of using two hands on the sandwich. Well, if you want to be fancy, then you could use a knife and a fork. Make sure to sharpen those babies. Or if you're more of a grill guy like me, you can use tongs.
Meow.
That's actually alright.